Hey YouTube, this is Catching Up with Crystal. Can you keep up with me? Because you never know where I'm going to be. And this is the Yvonne Project vlog number 19, I believe. I'm not going to put myself on camera right now. I'm a hot mess. I look a hot mess. I just gave Mom a bath and she's out cold. I washed her hair. I bathed her. And all that turning and twisting has taken a toll on her. I just wanted to kind of show y'all how I organize that cart that I got from Goodwill. This might be helpful for you guys. I keep little garbage bags in here, so whenever I'm changing her diaper, you never know what you're going to get. You might get a surprise. I have trash bags in here or grocery store bags I keep in here, and I just reach for them as I'm changing her. I organized all of her things. This was a 3-shelf, if you looked at the last video. So all the nurses have to do is just, everything that my mom needs is here. They don't have to wander around my house looking for anything. Every time they ask me where something is, I point to this because everything my mom needs is here and it's organized accordingly. So I got this little dish from the dollar store. I put her teeth in here every night and I rinse them. I already have a tablet in there for tonight for them to soak. These are her hospital bins that she can get bed baths. There's a bag of masks here for the nurses if they're sick. Vaseline is awesome. You can use Vaseline for skin care and wound care. When people have to stay in the bed for long periods of time, there is a risk for skin breakdown. Vaseline is a great barrier against urine and feces, as well as moisturizing the skin. I keep things separate according to that is her care for her bottom, diaper rash ointment if she has a bowel movement, some peri care to, when I'm not giving her a full bath but just want to wash away urine or poop. I have that. This is more like a more moisture barrier. You cannot have enough of this when someone is, and I'm not shouting out any name brand because I have multiple brands of stuff here. I'm just saying you do need a moisture barrier, and like I said, just plain old Vaseline is awesome. It does a lot. I actually have a video, if you look, about Vaseline and how it came to be and how they discovered it was great for wound healing and for moisturizer. I have stuff for her dentures, the adhesives. I do let her do it herself every morning. It kind of helps keep her sharp. I let her do as much as she can to retain her independence. Mouthwash, of course, toothpaste, toothbrushes. My mom is at the age where she does grow a little goatee sometimes, so we have that. My mom likes to keep her nails done. I do have the nurses. Oh, I thought you were asleep. I'm doing a video. There's her nails. I thought you were asleep. I'm doing a video about you.
Well, I just woke up.
Oh, okay. Say hi, people. Say hello.
And I just looked at that and I said, wow, that's the first time I've seen one of those.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm talking about you on my video. I was telling them how you keep your nails done, and I'm showing them all your things. My mom I keep her with activities. She has pencils and crayons in here, and she still likes to do crossword puzzles, and she has a coloring book. These are boots to protect her heels when she's in the bed. Right now I have a different kind on her, but if someone is in the bed, you can order these off of Amazon. They're very soft. They're like a foam, and they protect the soles. So back into what I have going here for her. These are like poise pads. I ordered the men kind though. because they have a wider circumference to catch more urine. So what I do to save diapers is I will, diapers are expensive. So and maybe I'll show you, do a quick video on it, but these are like a pad, and then I put them inside of the diaper, and it actually adds a little bit absorbency if she pees more than once, which she does, before I change her the next time. She This is like skin care cleanser. I use that because she had a wound when she came from the rehab. She had a little open area on her tailbone. I keep her off of it as much as I can, but my mom likes to lay flat on her back. So what I did is I got the wound care stuff, and then I got these I ordered off of Amazon. These are foam bandages. They're made of foam, little pad, and it gives her a little cushion. My mom, like I said, grew a goatee, so I do shave her about twice a week. Moisturize, moisturize. Moisturize is important, so I always make sure when I bathe her or the nurse is bathing her, she gets lotion on. My mom has her hair care products, gel. I just have a little small case with, some bands and clips. She has her nail file and some cotton to take off her nail polish. And there's the nail polish remover. My mom keeps her nails done because that is something she always did in life, which she's still alive. I keep washcloths and towels here. I make sure I tell the nurses, please use 2 washcloths, one for the face, one for the body. There was an incident where the nurse was using the same color washcloth, and I asked her, and she never gave me an answer. How do you tell which washcloth was for her face and which one was for her butt? So 2 separate colors, one for the face, one for the butt. On the next shelf, I have my mom's clothes. She doesn't need a lot of clothes anymore. She's not going too many places. This is a little messed up right now because I was digging for clothes in here, but she has nightgowns. She has a little bed jacket for when she's cold. These are her bibs. If you check out a video where I showed you what kind of things I got off of Amazon, I had ordered her some bibs. And here's some sheets and stuff back here. I have a load of wash going right now. I do change her sheets every week. And then on the last shelf, I have gloves, which, you're handling body fluid. So I have pads to go, the chucks that lay on the bed. I got these from the dollar store. I love them. They're washcloths, but I use them to wipe her butt because they contain like aloe and vitamin E, and give her skin some moisture as I wipe. I love these. I ordered these off of Amazon. They look like they're a diaper. They're not. But what they are is an insert, a big one, the size of a diaper. So when I put them inside of her diaper, they give her some extra absorbency. And these diapers are pretty thin. I thought I was getting a good deal at Walgreens, but I didn't. They're thin. You can see how thin they are. So that's what I meant about adding an insert inside. Gives you a little bit of extra thickness. They're not very, this turns blue when it's wet. But I doubled, put a liner in there. I did have some other diapers that are thicker. They're more like $26 for like 15 diapers, and I'm gonna go back to ordering them. And then I have air freshener down here because there are times where things ain't so fresh. So that is a video of everything my mom set up, what I did with the Goodwill refurbished diaper stand, 3 tiers. My mom has a big screen TV that she's able to watch. I do have a camera in here, so when I'm not with my mom, I can see whatever she's doing, and I can see what the nurses are doing also. So she's just chilling in my living room. So this has been catching up with Crystal and Yvonne, the Yvonne Project, vlog number 19, I believe it is. If it ain't 19, it's 20. Ma, you want to say goodbye to the people? No? Okay, she doesn't want to say goodbye right now. She was asleep. But that is it for her, and we will see you in the next video. She enjoys watching this scenery that changes on the TV. It goes into like a sleep mode, but I'm gonna put a real show on for her. She likes to watch different movies, especially historical ones. I guess it brings her back to her time. So that's it. Okay. Please like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.